Hi everyone, and welcome back to Angie&Three. In today's video, you guys, I am going to be showing you what I got in my March Boxycharm and my April Boxycharm. The reason why I'm showing you what I got in my March Boxycharm is because in March, for some reason, they emailed me. They actually did email me saying that my Boxycharm for March will be shipped in late. I don't know why. They didn't give me a reason for it. So yeah, so I'm going to be showing you guys both of my boxes. Since it came in so late last month, I decided to just combine, you know, the Boxycharms, show you my March and April. So let's get started with the March. So it looks like this, you guys. I did have a sneak peek inside, you guys, so I already know what I got, but I'm gonna show you. It looks like this, and it comes with this card. That's so cute. And then I got these two brushes. It's from Mata. They say powder and a soft glow brush, you guys. It looks like this. I don't think my camera's focusing. Okay. So let me just take it out the box and show you guys. Oh, I like these. Let me take it off the Apple package, because I don't know if you, I can't tell if you guys can see it really, but oh, these are soft. Oh, these are so soft, and they're so cute. I love it. It looks like this, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is the soft glow brush. It's so soft. And this is the powder brush. So soft, you guys. It's so pretty too. Look how pretty this is. I don't know if you can tell, it's like a metallic color. Ah, yes. Okay, so I'm so happy about that. And this is it's from Wander Beauty. It's the Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. Oh, I'm so excited about this too. I'm going to be using this. It looks like this, you guys. Let me try to. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so, I wanted one of these for so long. I'm so happy. So I got this, and this is a long-lasting liquid lipstick. It's called Monaco from I think it's Offreal. I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing it, but it looks like this. I don't know why every time I do that it's like so blurry. I don't know why it does that. Maybe you can see it from here. So it looks like this. Next thing I got is, it's called Appeal Liquid Eyeshadow. I don't know if it says the shade. Hold on. I don't see. Oh yeah, okay. It's in rose gold. This is so cute. Okay, I'm gonna try to hold it like this so maybe you guys can see it. Every time I hold it up close, it gets blurry for some reason. So maybe you can see it like that. I'm gonna take out the packaging and maybe swap it. Swatch it. It says swap it. Let me see. Okay, it is liquid. Okay, so it's liquid. So excited. Oh my gosh, I love Boxycharm. So it looks like this, you guys. Oh, I mean, it smells weird a little bit to me, but it looks like that. Oh, I'm excited though. I'm gonna see how, I'm not really good with the liquid stuff, so I'll see how I do with that. And then I got this Cover Fix. I guess it's the Perfector face palette. So it looks like this, you guys. And then you open it and it looks like this. So what you get in here is a brightener, 2 highlighters, a contour powder, a finishing powder, and a blush. And I think this is in light medium. It looks like that, you guys. So I'm gonna do some swatches. This is the first swatch right here. I'm gonna put it right here on my arm. Okay, I'm gonna double swatch that. So that, ooh, can I? Yeah, okay, that's right here. You can barely see it. And then the brightener, which is in the middle, looks like this. And then the highlighter, which is right here, it's another highlighter, looks like this. So you can see those two. You can see these two, but not the, I don't know, that highlighter. But you can see these two. And then the contour, I mean, I don't know why I'm swatching the contour really. I mean, you can barely see that, of course, that's stupid. The finishing powder looks like this. That's the finishing powder. And then the blush. Oh, the blush is really pretty. Looks like that. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, it's right here. I hope you guys can see that. So I'll try this. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not that excited about it, but never know, it might surprise me. It looks like this. So that is all that I got in my March Boxycharm. I'm excited about the brushes that I got, the lipstick, and this peel off mask. Oh, for some reason lately I've been in the like highlighting mood. Oh, the brightening skin, like brightening my skin, because I don't know, like back in the day when I first started makeup, it was all about the matte look. I love the matte. Now I like the glowy look. So I'm excited about that. So let's move on to the April Boxycharm. You guys, I am so excited about the April Boxycharm. Of course, it looks like this, and inside looks like this. It says peace, love, and boxy. That's so cute. It looks like this, you guys. So let's dive on into it, because I seen a lot of sneak peeks on their Instagram. Okay, so the first thing I got is this Appeal holographic lip gloss, you guys. It looks like this. It's so cute. And then the next thing I got is more brushes. Oh, it's the Luxie Summer Days brush set. It looks like this, you guys. I'm gonna take it out the packaging. Okay, so the brushes look like this, you guys. So pretty. It's like gold and pink, and then at the bottom it's like it looks like that. That is so pretty. I love brushes like this. Okay, so what kind of brush? You get a large shader, a small shader, and a small contour. So okay, this is the large shader, this is the small shader, and this is the, yes, this is the small contouring one. They are soft, very nice. I'm sorry, I'm doing this, you guys, if you can't see. I just want to see if it's nice. It's very nice. They really nice brushes. The next thing I got is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. It looks like this, the packaging. And I am so excited about this. Like I said, you know, I'm all about the glow. This year, I don't know what it is, but I am. I don't know why this is hard to take out. Okay. So it looks like this. And it looks like that when you open it. So anyways, you guys, so I'm going to show you guys how it looks on me. I'm running out of room to put everything. Okay. So, ooh, this is pretty. So you guys, it's right here. Oh wow. This is it right here. You see how pretty that is? That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's so pretty, you guys. Oh my gosh. It's smooth. I like that. Okay, so this is it's in the shade Purple Dream. So cute, you guys. I'm so excited to use this. Oh, okay. And the next thing I got is the Coachella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. This is very interesting. It looks like this. Why you won't show? Let me back up. So basically it's in a tube like this. You open one side and you get a brush, right? And then the other side you just unscrew, and this is the cream is inside of this part. I like that. That's so like convenient, especially on the go or something. Like that is very nice. I like that. I have not tried it yet, but I will let you guys know how I like it. Last but not least, I got this palette. It's the Pure Festival palette, Pressed Pigment palette. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I am so excited about this one. You guys know if I like something, you will see it in my makeup tutorials, okay? Because very nice. Okay, so it looks like this. So pretty. And then you open it and it looks like this. Look at that. I'm sorry the light is in the way. I'm gonna do it like that. Oh my gosh. I am gonna swatch this for you guys because I'm excited. So I am going to take this off. So excited. First shade I'm gonna be swatching is the Free Spirit right here. Let's see. It's right here. That is Free Spirit, you guys. And then Psychedelic, which is right here. It's right here, you guys. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh. The next shade is Good Vibes, which is right here. Did I point it at the right one? I think I got right here. Right here, you guys. Oh wow. Can you see that? It's right here. I'm swatching all wrong. I'm swatching like really retarded. The next shade is Peace. This is, oh my gosh, it's so pigmented. It's right here. That is Peace, you guys. Can you tell that it's so pigmented? It's so creamy. The next one is Epic. This is right here. Ooh. Oh gosh, I don't know, like it's right here, you guys. So pretty. The next one is Gypsy. It's this pretty purple shade right here. Ah, gorgeous. Oh wow, that is so pretty. And then the next one is Wild Child. This pretty pink. Oh, my hands is not wide enough right here. It's right here. The next one is 24K Magic. Oh wow, I'm so excited about this. Ooh, okay, well, I can swatch as best I can, but I know it doesn't, but it looks like this. Isn't that pretty? Like, isn't that pretty? Next one is, I already messed up this palette. It's called All Night. It's right here. Let me put it right here. So pretty. You can see that. The next one is Hidden Desert, which is right here. That's pretty. It's like a pretty, that's my type of color. This is my type of color. Like a brown shade right here. Not a brown, it's like a, I can't even explain it, but it's so pretty. I love that color. It's, ooh, this is Sunset. Oh gosh, okay, this is Sunset. It's just right here. Ooh, Sunset is pretty too. I'm trying to see, because I can't, wait, right here. Last but not least, Fireworks. Cause baby, you're fire. Just play. Oh, so pretty. As you can see, it comes off on my hand right here, but when I swatch it, of course, you know, it's like a metallic color. Oh, I am so excited. I cannot wait to use this, okay? It's Pure Festival, guys. If you don't have Boxycharm, I mean, come on. You get amazing things. Like, I'm so excited. Oh, wait. Hold up. So, it's something else in this box. If you get a small eyeshadow primer in the box. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's in a package. That is so cute. I mean, that's so cool. That's nice. It's like an added bonus. Okay. Like I said, come on. You cannot beat this. $20 for all this beautiful thing. Oh. Okay. So, yes, you guys. That is all I got. I'm so excited. I love you, Boxycharm. I love you. Okay. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give your girl a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell to get more videos like this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys.